Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to explain how you can effectively trade Bank Nifty, and this is a 100% working strategy. For that, what you should do is you should plot support and resistance zone. So for that, we have to open 1 day chart and we have to draw support and resistance zones. So how to draw the support and resistance zone is you should draw in such a way that it will cover all the possible entries. For example, here if you see, the bottom point is here, and also this is a wick. It has to cover most of the bottom and wick. See, this was the wick and this was the bottom. So we have to make sure whenever you draw the zone, the wick and the bottom is should be covered. Most of the wick and bottom is covered. This you can ignore because it is a full fake out. So but most of the wick and bottoms are covered. So you don't have to cover, don't have to stretch too much, but in a slight way, so that it covers this, the candlestick end and the wick. Okay, so what you should do is you should keep on drawing this onto your chart. Okay, so now I have drawn the support zone. I will draw the resistance zone. So how to draw the resistance zone? Same way, the body and the wick should be covered. Okay, that's the resistance zone. Because whenever we tell the price is in resistance, it doesn't mean that it will be a one line or a one price. So always resistance and support, everything always will be in the form of zones. Okay, there's no particular point. Okay, so we can see there's one more support which has formed here. So I will draw that support zone here. Okay, like this you should draw it onto your chart. Okay, you can see there's one more support here. Usually people say that 3 points should be considered as support, but even if 2 points is also okay, it doesn't matter that much. So I have drawn the support zone here. The price was not able to break this point, this and this point, so I can draw a resistance zone here. Okay, so I can draw this resistance zone here, like that. Like this you should keep on doing to your chart. Okay, I have drawn all the support and resistance zone. Whenever you are doing intraday and intraday trading, whenever you are doing intraday trading, you should use 30 minutes candlesticks, and whenever you are doing intraday, then you can use 2 hours or a 4-hour candlestick, because you are holding that stock for a next day and for a week also. So there are two types of traders, one who are like short term and long term traders. So depend upon your trading style. For a short term trader who wants to day trade, I recommend 30-minute chart, and who wants to hold that trade for next 2-3 days and see how price performs, then I prefer 2-hour and 4-hour chart. Okay, along with the 30-minute chart. So how to trade is you should open 30-minute chart and see if the price is in the support and resistance zone. As I can see here, the price is in the support zone. So whenever you see the price is in the support zone, you should go long. Whenever you see the price is touching the resistance zone, you should go short. The price in the support zone, you should go long. But price was not able to break above. There is a one more resistance that has formed here. So even within the 30 minutes chart, you will find many type of resistance and supports. Okay, but for simplicity we will consider the date, how the day goes. Like that we will consider the support, because our trend should follow what is the trend in the day wise, what is the trend is happening. Okay, if you take minute by minute trend, 30 second by second trend, it doesn't work. Okay, because you are not a robot, so you'll have to keep on staring at the screen. Okay, we'll consider, that's why I considered only how is the trend for a day chart, and how, and I have plotted support and resistance zone. Okay, so now if you see here, price has come to the support zone, you should immediately go for a long position. Okay, now in order to increase your accuracy, you can draw trend lines. You have to consider any 2 points and draw the trend lines. For example, now say suppose in you are trading here, now you are in the support region. Now what you should do is you should draw a trend line connecting these two heights. Okay, so the moment you see the price is unable to break this trend line, you join 2 points and you form a trend line. Okay, the moment you see the price is not able to break this trend line, then what you should do, you should go for a short position with some stop loss. Okay, as you can see here, the price reached the support zone. Okay, what I told you, in support zone you should go for a long position, but you should also make sure that the price breaks this particular trend line. Price broke this particular trend line, that means it's a sure short long position. You can, the price will again retest it. Always buy at the retest. Okay, the retest of this, where to keep that buy order. So you can keep the buy order somewhere around 75% of the size of this body. So if this is the size of the body, then I will keep it here at 17,900. Okay, now the price has gone above this particular trend line, that means it shows a bullish signal. Okay, this is a bullish sign. Whenever you see this type of the patterns, that means it's a accumulation zone. So if you are trading at this position, what you should do is, whenever you see a wick, you have to immediately draw a trend line and see whether the price will bounce away from that particular trend line or not. You can keep a stop loss and a long position. Okay, here if you had gone for long position, you would have won it, but again there is a resistance zone. Be careful in the resistance zone. After this, price came back, but again it went up, but again it is trading in the resistance zone. Now this resistance zone will become a support zone. As I said, the price, see, spiked from this support zone. You can apply this technique to any chart, any stocks. This all will work in the same way. What you have to do is find the support and resistance zone, draw the trend line, confirm the trade. Okay, it is as simple as this. Look here, draw a trend line, wait for it to bounce above trend line, then go for a long position. It is again draw a trend line. Here also you can put a buy order, wait for it to bounce. It didn't bounce. Here if you would have take trade, then you would have had a stop loss hit. But since the trend line is broken, you can immediately go for a short position and you can set your profit target over here. Okay, so this is in a 30-minute chart. You have to open 2-hour chart and see what is the situation. So if you are not, day trading, you want to trade between the day, you want to hold some stocks for 1 or 2 days, then you can use 2-hour chart and see how the price is behaving. Okay, here you can see there is a double top, pattern that is forming, and there is a price divergence. It's again a bullish signal. Whenever you see this kind of pattern, price making higher high, then it's a bullish signal, plus it's a W pattern. So you can comfortably go for a long position, and also you can draw a trend line like this for every can. Draw the trend line and wait and see how this particular trend line will act as a support. Once this particular zone is not able to be broke, then you can go immediately for a short position and put your profit target over here. So this is how we trade bank nifty, or this is how we can trade any stocks for that matter. Okay, so as I said, the price came down till support position. This is a support zone and you can comfortably go long. You can see good pattern, that is W. It's a double bottom pattern. Here also there is a double bottom pattern. Okay, so you have formed a double bottom pattern and price rose. In 2 hour chart you can easily find this type of patterns, so that's why I'm more comfortable in finding 2 hour chart. Okay, you can also use institutional instrument, because what I use, I need to know where these particular institutions are buying. So for that I activate my indicator over here. As you can see, all the institution bought at this range around 17,000. Okay, as you can see, what happened to price after that? Price is rallying. Price is rallying. Okay, now I will enable the buy sell bot, my trend one bot. It should show me when to buy and when to sell. You can see it gave a buy signal here, sell signal here, buy signal here, and sell signal here. Okay, so it is very easy if you are trading with the institutional instrument and trend one. If the price is above this particular trend line, you should go for a long position, and plus if you get any institution detected and you got a buy triangle, then it is a short long position. You don't need to turn back and see anything else. Okay, so you can also use it for a 30-minute candle. So a 30-minute chart, you'll get a very nice long and short signal here. It has given me short signal recently. I have gone short. As you can see, the price is continuously going down, so it's a very good call here, and it's a long position on 29th June on 21,214 points. It went all the way up to 22,340. So this will make a significant difference in your trade if you use it. Okay, if you want to access this particular tool, you can contact me. My Telegram ID, I have given that link in the description. You can also join our Telegram channel. So I hope you liked the video. And trading bank nifty using support and resistance and trend line is very easy, but if you have this tool, that will make it much more easier, and you'll always be guaranteed profit. Okay, and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.